this is our incoming inspection area. All of our spare parts are provided by specific suppliers. Any unqualified or defective products will be rejected because we have a serious inspection equipment, and we also have very professional inspection technician. Hello everyone, this is Tidal Bison Machinery and this is Nico.
Hello， 我是百胜机械的生产车间的车间主任。
And this is our manager of workshop. 聪哥，我想咨询一下，咱们这个是什么设备啊？
哦，这个是吧？那么这个是我们尼龙凸轮组。那么它在动力组装里面，它是一个很主要的零部件。
So this is our high temperature resistant equipment. And for example, this is our camshaft. So this is the main part for engine. We will put these spare parts into this machine. We will set the temperature is about 150 degrees. So we will make sure whether our spare parts or machine can work normally in long time hot environment.
我们有很多客户是在欧洲、俄罗斯，那么他们使用产品的情况下，它是极度严寒的。那么我们有测试塑料件在低温情况下，它是否能有韧性。
So this is our low temperature resistant equipment because we have many customers in European market and Russia. So normally we will set the temperature about -20 degrees to test the roughness of our material. That we can make sure our machine can operate very normally under a very severe condition.